Now, as you can see, if we take their total sales of 4,708 and we times that by 10, which is around about what they're selling them for, they have made over $47,000. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in this completely free tutorial. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online. And the best part about this particular method is you can start this for completely free. You won't need to spend any money when starting this method about making money on the internet. And I'm going to take you through this step by step. There's only a few simple steps that you need to follow. It's not a very difficult method to understand, and you can potentially make some money with this method if you follow the steps in this video. And I'm going to show you other people making money with this method as well. Now, what can you expect from this tutorial? I'm going to show you exactly how this works, how to get started, how to get the tools that you need, and you're going to learn all of this in this short 15-minute tutorial. I like to keep my videos as short as possible to help you get all the information as fast as possible. And on that note, let's jump into this video. But first, smash that like button and make sure to hit that subscribe button so you know my next video comes out, as I bring out videos every single week on how to make money online. Let's jump into the video and I'll show you exactly how this method works. All right, guys, so the first thing you want to do in this free tutorial is head over to canva.com. Now, on canva.com, you can see what you can do with this, and we'll talk about that in a second. But if you scroll down, it's got all the information that you need to get started with this tutorial. It's a very good program, and they have a free version that you can use to get you started. So what I'm going to do is log into my Canva account right now, and I'll show you exactly how to get started with this tutorial and this method to make money online. So I'm in my Canva account right now, and this is the free version that we can use. And you can see that we can create all sorts of different things. We can create whiteboards, presentations, social media, content, videos. We can do even websites, but we can do pretty much anything we want. And we can also do really simple templates if we want to do simple templates, which we're going to focus on in this video. Now, they have plans and pricing as well. So you can actually do the free version, the pro version, or Teams. Obviously, you probably wouldn't be using Teams, but you could potentially get the pro version for more tools and things like that. But the free version would be fine for this tutorial, and you can use that no problems. And then you can go to compare pricing down here. Also leave a link in the description if you want to check out Canva. It is an affiliate link. Now, if I click on templates, we can actually go and create a bunch of different types of templates. So let's go browse templates real quick. And there's all sorts of templates that we can create. We can create presentations, tables, like diaries. We can create recipes, checklists, fitness things, all sorts of different templates that we want. Flyers, and we've got some stuff down here. So business presentation, whiteboard, mind maps, calendars, resumes, invoices, proposals, social media, Instagram, stories, reels, Facebook posts, TikTok videos, all sorts of things, right? Marketing, business cards. We can do Instagram stories. There's lots more examples here. So Instagram stories and stuff like that. You can create whatever you like. There's literally so much. And I remember Canva used to not really have this much stuff, but they've really expanded over the years. Now, what I've done for this tutorial is I've gone and chosen a really simple type of template that we can create for this tutorial, and it's really easy to do. So what I've done is you want to go and find YouTube templates. So these are the YouTube templates that you could literally go and edit right now. So you can see there's so many, right? So let's just start from the top and do a quick scroll down. There's lots of different templates in different niches. So keep scrolling down, and you can see all of these different types of templates. Now, we're going to be doing something with these templates where you can actually make money. But first of all, what you want to do is you want to pick a type of niche from one of these templates, right? This is really important. Now, one thing I will mention is you'll see these little symbols down below. So this one here says pro, this one doesn't say anything. This one here says pro, this one here says paid. So some you have to pay for and some are only included with the pro, but the ones with no symbol down there, you can go and edit those for completely free. You can do whatever you want with these ones. So I'm gonna basically take a really simple one here that we can use for this tutorial. So we're gonna do this dinner one right here. Okay, I'm gonna click on this dinner one. And we're gonna go customize. So this is 100% fully customizable. You can edit and download on the go and share or publish anywhere. Customize this template. Now what we can actually do here, there's a full tour, but we can actually, I'll show you what happens, right? We have this thumbnail here that we can edit, but there's also all sorts of different thumbnails on the left here now that have been recommended to us in the food space, okay? So let's just go over how you can edit this real quick, and then I'll explain to you why that's important for this tutorial. So if I edit this, I can change whatever I want. I can change this to 5 easy organic recipes. I can change this to for dinner, watch now. I can change this image here. I can move it around. I can literally do whatever I want with this image, okay? I can change whatever I like. We're going to delete that. We can delete this. We can move this. We can do whatever we like. And we can also add images as well from our computer. So I'll add one real quick. So what I do is I simply just drag on a file from my desktop, and it uploads this file, which is a burrito that I just found online, right? And then now I've just put that burrito in there. Super easy, and it all did it automatically for me. So you could even change it to different types of food if you want. But that's what it's done. It's really, really cool. And I can edit this and do whatever I like. Now, the next thing, like, I don't really need to show you too much of the editing process because it's got everything, like it's really simple to do, right? Just drag everything around. You can add different types of text. So we can add this text here. We want, this is random, I know, but we can add this here. And we can change it. So we can do cooking 101 or something like that, right? So all of these types of things we can choose. We've got glow, so we can put on a glow. We can put on anything we want, right? There's so many different types. And like I said, some of them you can only use in the Pro version. And then we've got different types of styles that we can use, font styles as well. And then we have apps here, which is, I don't really know much about that. I don't really use any of these. But the most important thing is you have your elements as well. So you can add different types of shapes, graphics, squares, gradients. You can add videos. You can add graphics here. You can really, really change this complete image right here, okay? We'll go to all real quick, actually. You can go down, you can scroll down, and there's just so many that you can choose from, right? I can go and add this onto here and put this under here, and that looks pretty cool, right? Easy peasy. And then you've got text, which I just showed you, and they'll have different types of texts. You can add headings and things like that. And then obviously the styles as well. But you want to know how you can actually go and make money with these templates. Well, I'm going to show you right now how you can make money online using these templates. So what you want to do is you want to go to share and you want to go to template link. And it says here, anyone with this link can use this design as a template. Sign in is required, but you won't know who made the copies of the design. So just click copy this right here and go and put that onto a notepad, okay? And you have the link here that you can send. So we've got this onto the notepad right here. And what you can actually do now is you want to go to templates and you want to go and create another one. And the reason why, so go and edit this and stuff like that. And then you want to go and to share and you want to go and get that template link as well. But what you want to do is you don't just want to go and give and take the link without editing it. You need to make your own versions of these. Don't just go and take the links of ones that have already been created, okay? You want to edit and make your own versions of these. That's really important. And then go down and put that in here as well. Okay, really, really simple. Now you want to do like 10 or 20 of these. That's really, really important because you need to actually add a lot in here so you can add some value. So now you might be asking yourself, well, how can I actually make money from doing this? Well, like I said, you want to go and edit these templates, okay? So don't just take what's here now and use that. You want to edit it, like, for example, change the image. So I might go put that burrito image there again. Like that looks pretty cool, right? And then change the wording or something like that. But you want to go and change some stuff because we don't just want to take what's on here. You don't just want to take what's on here already and just straight use that. And I'll tell you why in a second. So the next step is once you have like 10 or 20, you want to go and put these links into like a PDF or something like that and download it as one file. Okay, so just have like a PDF with these links in them that people can go and copy. Okay. Now, I did forget that what you want to do is you also want to go to only you can access. You want to change this to this design will be publicly available. Anyone with the link can access it. Okay. So you want to make sure that is set once you have edited the template, and then it's all ready to go. They can go ahead and use those links. So how do you make the money? You want to go over to Etsy.com and you want to go and do something like YouTube templates. I think I actually already have it up here. Okay, so I put in YouTube thumbnails and YouTube templates. But if we scroll down on Etsy down here, you can see that people are making money by selling YouTube template kits. So for example, 16 thumbnail kit. This is an advert on Etsy. We can go and click on this and we can see that these people are selling 16 YouTube thumbnail templates. And you'll see that people are selling Canva kits like this one down here, 10 YouTube thumbnail Canva template bundle. So you can go and create stuff like that. There's lots of them, right down here. But what you want to do is you want to pick a specific niche. So on this one here where I've gone and put in YouTube thumbnails, we'll scroll down and there's heaps of different types. There's YouTube branding kits, but I did see one before that I really, really liked. There's yoga thumbnail kits. There's pink thumbnail kits. But there's one that I liked. I think it was a real estate one. There you go, cooking. So this is a cooking one, right? And they've got 12 reviews here. Keep scrolling down. There's all sorts of different types here. Gaming ones. So here we go. Clickable YouTube thumbnail. These are like gaming ones. It looks like gaming ones here. YouTube branding thumbnails. But there's all sorts of different types you can do. We could even do something like real estate. And you can go and like, you don't even have to do YouTube thumbnails, right? That was just a simple example for this tutorial. These guys are doing like real estate templates, marketing bundles. So marketing bundles that you could do. Super easy stuff that you go and create. There's a lot more, there is a lot more involved in doing this type of stuff. It will take you a lot longer and you have to go and create them. But you can see in this here, this is an all-in-one Realtor branding marketing Canva template. Another one, so that's realtors. Another one is fitness. Fitness is a huge one as well. So fitness templates and things like that. Now look at this one here. They're selling this for $50. $50, all right? This one here, $52. This one here, $70. Now, if you look at this one here, their shop where they probably solely sell templates, all they do is sell templates for around about $30, $40, $50. Some for $8, some for $20, some for $50. All they do is sell templates. You can literally start an entire business selling digital templates online. And that's exactly what I've shown you how to do in this particular video. Now, if you look up here, it says that they have had over 4,707 sales. Now, if we go to their store real quick and have a look at their store, oh, we had it open already. They sell most of their products for like 20, 16, 16, 20, 9, 12, 24. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go an average, right? I'm going to go, hey, let's just say around about $10. Let's say they sold 4,700 at $10. That is over $47,000 just in sales based off $10. And these guys are selling a lot of these for like $45. They're selling them for insane amounts of money. So and they're on sale right now, so they probably sell them for a lot more when they're not on sale. So these guys are making really, really good money online. And this is a great way for you to potentially go and make money online. Simply go and create templates on canva.com. You can easily start with something like YouTube thumbnails. Go and create some thumbnails in a specific niche, and then you can go and edit those thumbnails just like this. And as you can actually see, all the different results that are coming up now are for food because it knows what we like. So you can go and edit these templates, and then what you want to do is you want to go and upload them onto Etsy.com and start your own digital template store online. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell so you know when my next video comes out. And I hope you go and try this and potentially make some money online.